Hi everybody, we're eating ourselves into the grave. People are eating far too much, guys. They're actually destroying their health by eating too much. So what we've got to do is we've got to eat intermittently and only eat, say, 70% instead of 100% of the food. You want to be consuming vegetables. You want to be having herbal teas with polyphenols in, which actually activate healing qualities in the body, and we want to be doing exercise each day, guys. Now the problem is that we're naturally dispositioned to wanting to eat. Obviously, fight or flight mechanism to keep ourselves alive. So what's happening is we've got food constantly available, and we're eating it constantly, and then we're just basically putting on weight. So what I do is I've got a cycle. I'll eat, cut off, at say 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, and then I won't eat till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock the next day. So, and also in the mornings I have a fat burner tea, which I've got in other videos I can put a link to. Now, just remember, at the rate things are going scientifically, I've got a science background from university, the developments I've got in actually turning on longevity genes to help us expand our lifespan is they're on the cutting edge of science, and in our lifetime we'll be able to extend our life substantially. But you need to be eating a lot of vegetables, veggies, fruits, having herbal teas and stuff like that. You also want to be mindful of not sleeping enough. We want to have good long sleeps. We also want to be hydrated, taking on herbal teas, waters each day, making sure that we're hydrated is really important, guys. It's so important to actually realize that so many of us are eating fast foods, processed foods, white sugars, lots of saturated fat. Even trans fats is even worse, which is like your margarines, which are like chemically made, which aren't naturally occurring. Natural's best, guys. What you want to be doing is you want to be eating organic if you can, from the garden. You want to be putting water over all the veggies, rinsing them all, not spraying herbicides, that affect the body. You want to be also not consuming a lot of meat, guys. You want to be just not eating yourself into the grave. There's so many people, especially in America, are heavily overweight. They'll blame everybody else except themselves. They'll say, "I got big boned" or whatever. That's not true, guys. It's about living within your eating regime, not overeating. It's really important to bear in mind. Now, we've got a chance to actually, when you've combined eating clean, exercise, meditation, which is really important, because we've got 50 trillion cells in our body, roughly, and if you're meditating and you're sending that signal out through the whole organism, you're sending out the vibration that has an effect on the actual cells aging. Now, this has been proven scientifically. Meditators actually can lengthen on the ends of your DNA. You've got telomeres. Telomeres shorten as you age. What's happening? They've found, this is crazy, guys, that telomeres actually lengthen when you're meditating. So I meditate every day, and I do yoga, breath work. I do aerobic fitness, and I also do weights. So that combination of that, and I'm vegetarian obviously, has a huge effect on my overall body, my health of myself. Your brain's sharper, your body looks better, you look more youthful, and you've got more energy, guys. So these are the key things. You don't want to be the richest person in the graveyard because you've gone out and partied all the time and eaten yourself into the grave. but you've got a lot of money. You want to actually be the healthiest person you can be and your best version of yourself each day. You want to be challenging yourself to eat intermittently, to do exercise each day. You want to be held accountable. If you say you're going to do something, do it, guys. It's really important to live a life that's constantly evolving and constantly growing and expanding your consciousness. There's so many people out there just let the days go by and then they blame their obesity, or things start happening to their health, or their partner leaves them because they're heavily overweight and depressed, and she's sick of you or he's sick of you because you're always depressed and you've got a negative lens you're looking at life. You want to lift your vibration, so when you're looking through the lens, it's very clear. You see the beauty in life. You've been your best version of yourself. You're being positive to others, positive to yourself. Self-talk's really important too, guys. You want to be actually giving yourselves positive affirmations. I'm an infinite being. I'm healthy, wealthy, wise. And you want to be, when the negative thought comes in, you want to be reframing that to say, I'm healthy, I'm wealthy, I'm wise. It's a way of reframing so that the negative side of you doesn't actually pull your vibration down. And combining that with meditation, yoga, or exercise, and eating clean, you'll hold yourself in really good stead to live a really good, positive, evolving life and become your best self, guys. So that's really important. So I hope this helped. Namaste, everybody. Boop, subscribe. Lovely to see you. Bye for now.